Good afternoon and welcome to Aurora Stacker. Giraffes are hanging out with their wet wipes. Hurricane bus. We survived. We got some cool toys that came in Monday. We're here chilling at the airport because we're going to set up my Starlink. I also got some coins that finally came in. Thank you, FedEx, for actually delivering during the hurricane. See if we can get zoomed in. All right. So we got some interesting pieces here, and my shoes, my backdrop. I'm mobile. We got the new platinum snake. It's bright as hell, I can't see. It's King Charles, King Chuck. God save the king. Hopefully he'll be cancer free soon. Year of the snake. Hiss hiss. We got a gold snake in a 1/4 ounce. Also the king. Perth mint, great mint. Now, most of you don't even know this. This is a fractional buffalo. That's right, U.S. gold buffalo. 1/2 ounce. Here he is. Spectacular. Not sure how many were made. The thing cost a bloody fortune. But it made it through the hurricane, so I'm not going to complain. Fractionals were only made in 2008. Well, so, must have things during the hurricane. Portable generator, solar generator. EcoFlow is probably the best. They are pricey, but it's either that or you eat shit. You got Starlink. Thank you, Elon Musk. Sent this to me overnight, 1st a.m. Lastly, you can never leave your pets, your creatures, and your family behind. And you don't need toilet paper during a hurricane. You need wet wipes because nobody wants a sticky hand. Anyways, one last look at these beautiful coins. I'm going to shoot a little unboxing on these 2 other toys, and I will hit you back later. It's Aurora Stacking, signing off.